You reek so bad, I think I'm going to get high just from you standing in front of me.
Yes, Your Honor. So officers were dispatched to a theft at Walmart, met by a complainant who stated both defendants acted in concert with each other to avoid scanning several items at the self-checkout line. The defendants walked past all points of sale, and the total value of the items stolen was $124.32.
Oh, goodness. This case is from 2021. From 2020?
It looks like it's 20.
It's when COVID happened.
True. This case is older than Jesus.
Welcome back to Time Serve, the channel that scans the docket so you don't have to, and I will be the first one to admit I don't care about playing any types of cards. However, when you are playing the "you aren't listening to me" card, when you are out committing crime, slinging dope, and coming to court smelling like weed, frankly, the judge doesn't have to listen to a word you say. Matter of fact, he could put bananas in his ears and it won't matter. And if you want to see all of the defendants Judge Fleischer has caught reeking of weed and smelling like all types of things in front of him, you could check out the entire Tales from the Dome playlist here. Anyway, this lady is typical as she turns on her nice buttons and revs up for the moment to whip out those cards. And most importantly, she lies through her teeth. I must admit this one gives the judge a run for his money. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, set your notifications to all, and never miss Tales from the Fleischer Dome. Let's roll, nerds.
Good morning, Ms. Cummings. Ma'am, you're charged with possession of marijuana. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you.
Officer observed a hand-to-hand transaction at Tiny's gas station in Harris County, Texas. The male immediately began walking away as he saw the marked patrol vehicle enter the parking lot. The male was detained without incident and was learned to be a juvenile. The female was also detained, and she turned around to face officers who observed a bag containing green leaky substance inside of her purse, which was worn on her body. Defendant admitted she was selling the marijuana and sold it to the juvenile, which was detained. The defendant explained she also used the marijuana that was found in her person for personal use. The marijuana recovered was about 0.52 ounces, Judge.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Do not go back to this location. Do not pick up any new cases. I will put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. Do you understand, ma'am? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm is not an answer. Yes or no?
Yeah, I understand.
Does she smell like weed now?
No, the thing is, the man downstairs had my purse I don't smell like weed. I have not been smoking. My purse smells like that. It's sustained. If I get it washed, it will be out. He just smelled it down there. So of course it's going to smell like it because what happened downstairs. So I'm not smoking. I'm not high right now. I'm just tired and sleepy. So
don't smoke any weed while you're on bond in this court. I'm going to test you. If I find that you're smoking, you will go to jail.
Okay.
You understand? Can you mind filing an order not to go back to this gas station?
Yes, Judge.
The other person didn't get arrested, did they? The juvenile?
Exactly.
Stop, please.
Since he isn't charged here, I don't have many records, but I believe he was charged. I just don't have it here. We don't have it in adult here, but it would be over in 3 weeks.
Can I say something?
Don't, please. I have a district attorney here. If you say something, he's going to sit there, type everything down, and use it against you. It's best not to. You'll get the opportunity to fight your case. Just now's not that time. The only other thing I'm going to advise you is don't have any contact with this juvenile.
I don't even know him.
Now, Ms. Cummings, what do you do for a living?
What I do for a living,
How do you get money? How do you eat? How do you survive?
my people take care of me, and right now I'm in the process of looking for a job. I have a lot going on. I just lost my son. He was 2 months, had pneumonia. So I had a lot going on. And if you don't believe me, I have a month, what's the thing called? Orbit, the paper for the funeral. I have all of that. I have proof. I have a lot going on in life. So before judging, like, you should see a person background as well. So yeah. I'm in the process of trying to get myself together. That's what I'm doing.
Do you want to apply for an appointed lawyer, ma'am?
I will.
Don't pick up any new
If you
cases.
look at my thing, this is my first charge in Harris County. And I've been living here all my life. Like, you coming at me like this, my first charge. Like, what they did that day was really wrong.
Don't.
Shut up.
Don't say anything.
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent. Exercise that right. I'm just asking you, don't pick up any new cases. That's it.
Mhm.
I'm going to have you go to Victoria. We will have you sign a reset. I need you to fill out an application for an appointed lawyer, ma'am. So we will give you an application and then I'll have you take your seat in the jury box. Do not leave until you sign our bond conditions, ma'am.
Okay.
Please.
Right, Judge, page 16. Page 16, LeBlanc.
Okay. I'm not going to put up with it. This is not Burger King where you get your way. If you don't do things the right way, then we'll just reset you and you can take it home and do it. But I don't want attitude here. Do you understand?
Yes.
Thank you. You can give her the application again. We'll see what she does. If you just give me it with blanks on everything, I'm not gonna grant it.
What are you expecting me to put if I had told you that I don't
What your
have
fences are, you didn't put anything where you
I don't
live.
have a car. I stay in a room. What is that giving you a place to live? I stay in a room. That's why I didn't put nothing.
You have a place that you live. There's an address. You have a phone number. You didn't put a phone number. You didn't put any expenses down.
The judge is talking to you. Don't be disrespectful to the judge. I'm just telling you, for your own sake, he can throw you in jail for being disrespectful. Don't do that.
Ms. Cummings, I don't want to have to hold you in contempt, but this is going sideways really fast. And I'm not going to let you put up and try to take control here. I have enough drama in my life. I don't need any more. If you don't want to fill it out, we'll let you go with it and you can come back with it another day. And that's it.
Can I do that?
Sure. Let it go.
But she has conditions, doesn't she? Still
Oh,
sign
yeah, I need to sign. Let me see if I think I have them right here. Do you have conditions on Ms. Cummings?
We're gonna give her one more quick, and I'm gonna talk to her before.
I've got it. It's ready to go.
You're gonna have to sign your bond.
Any artist out there want to be an artist and want to stay a star, and don't want to have to worry about the executive producer trying to be all in the videos, all on the record, dancing. Come to Death Row.
Sir, hopefully I won't get harassed anymore.